Samsung continues to dominate the mid-level smartphone market in 2026. With fierce competition, the main question is whether the Galaxy A56 remains worthwhile, or there are better options. Upon taking the phone, it is immediately evident that Samsung placed effort into its design. With a clean, modern appearance and a premium feel, the slim, lightweight design is ideal for long usage periods. Even in the low-cost category, the display, as expected, delivers bright, vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it visually appealing. The responsive touchscreen experience is perfect for social media or video content consumption. The camera is well suited to most users, with good images in both bright and low light conditions. Portrait shots feature a lovely background blur. For gaming, the Galaxy A56 performs well, considering casual gaming. However, it falls short for heavy engagement, requiring graphics settings to maintain smooth performance. In battery life, the Galaxy A56 delivers solid results and can easily last a full day with normal usage. However, if you are a heavy user, you may need to charge more often. Charging is swift, though, allowing users to get back to work quickly. The overall performance delivery is effective, with a balanced setup suitable for daily use. However, if you prioritize gaming, the Samsung Galaxy A56 may not be the optimal choice. To sum up, the Samsung Galaxy A56 offers a solid mix of design, performance, and functionality, serving as an excellent choice in 2026. While the phone may not be the most powerful or advanced option, it provides a dependable experience for the everyday user. Check out the video for more information.